Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by elevating command prompt and immediately stopping the services that control updates. Run net stop WUAServe, net stop bits, net stop crypts, and net stop MSI server. This prevents files from being locked while you work. Once stopped, make sure to note or export any custom network or DNS settings in case you need to restore them. Doing this first isolates the update components, so the following file and registry operations can run cleanly without interference from running services. Next, rename the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to software distribution. Old and cacheroute 2. Old, this clears cached updates while preserving a rollback. Re-register core update DLLs with regsfor32 for files like WUAPI, DLL, WUPS2, DLL and ADL, DLL so Windows can recreate clean registrations. After that, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the component store, and follow with sfc/scano to repair system files. Finally, restart the update services with net start bits, net start WUAServe, net start crypts, and net start MSI server, then reboot to ensure all changes take effect. After restart, run Windows Update and watch for successful scans and downloads. If you see an error code, write it down. If updates still fail, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter to gather logs and attempted fixes. It often resolves remaining registration or permission issues. If that fails, restore folders from old and escalate with logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.